In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Excel using Excel itself. So we will extract some table from a PDF file into an Excel file using the Excel application, and then we will modify this PDF table with some new values, and we will see how to update the Excel file which contains this table with these new values. So let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos for online technology tools available for teachers and students. If you are interested in this topic, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. I have this PDF file which contains a table of values, and I have opened my Excel application where I start a new blank file, and now I want to bring that table from my PDF file into this Excel file. There are many online PDF to Excel converters available, but sometimes your PDF file contains some sensitive data which you don't want to expose to any online converter. But you don't have to use any online PDF to Excel converter because you can do this within Excel. And it is very simple. To do that, I click on data and then get data. And now I have many options. These are different types of sources from where you can extract data into your Excel file. And some are very popular. For example, you might have heard about SharePoint and Salesforce. These are business tools for companies. Also, this Azure is becoming very popular. But we are interested in a PDF file, so I click on this. But we are interested in file. So in this from file area, we have this from PDF option. And if I click on that, and this is my PDF, so I click on this PDF and click import. Now, if you are doing this first time, it will take few seconds because I have recently done this before starting this video. So therefore it was very quick, but it might take 30 to 40 seconds. And then you will see this dialog box. And this is the name of my PDF file. It has two importable components. One is a table and the other is whole page. And this is the preview area. If I select this table, it will show me the preview of my table. And let me move myself towards left, and we have these few options here. Now there are few things you should consider as a common sense, and let me show you this PDF opened here. This PDF has a table and it also has an image, and Excel is an application for data handling, not image handling. So if for example you want to import this PDF pie chart, it may not be well imported. Instead, what you should do is you import this table, and then with few clicks you can create this pie chart within Excel. So therefore I will only be importing this table, and in most cases you will too. If there is some text, there is no problem importing a page if there is only text. And if there are very large tables, then you might also have to do some formatting because you will see some null entries, you will see some negative numbers, and you have to do some formatting. But if it is a simple, well designed table, it will be imported very easily. So in order to import this simple table, I select this table here. I see the preview, and because there could be many tables, and once I have confirmed that I want to import this, now I have few options. Now in this load area, if I click on load to, it will open another dialog box in which I can select the position where I want to place this table. I can set a range of cells where this table should go in my Excel sheet. But because my Excel file is empty, I simply click on load, and it will take some time, and it will show you this message that this PDF has been loaded to the workbook. As you can see that my table is here. And now what if I change my PDF entries? If you notice this entry, it has 43,000 something, and this is my PDF. And now what I want to do is I want to change this entry, and I want to save my PDF with the same name. Now this is my current PDF, and I have also saved another PDF with the same name in this folder. Same name, different PDF. If I click on that, this PDF has the same name as the PDF which I just imported. But if I click on this, its first value is different. This is 85K. Now see what happens if I copy this, and I move to this folder and I right click and I paste. It will ask me that replace the file in the destination, and I say yes because this file is open. So now I have closed my PDF file. So I try again and it will replace my previous file with the new file with a different entry. Now I go back to my Excel and still it shows the previous entry. So what I need to do is, if you know that there are some changes in your PDF file which you have linked with your Excel file, what you can do is you click on this refresh, and you can do a refresh or refresh all. It doesn't matter because there is only one table. So I refresh this, and as you can see that now this value has changed to the new value in the PDF. So if you update your PDF, your Excel file will be updated. Both are linked, and there is an unlink available here if you want to do that. But the purpose of this exercise was to link our PDF to Excel files. And this is mostly happens because we all love PDF files. PDF files are very good for storage. No one can easily modify them. So we want to store our important data in PDF and then to link it to our Excel files. So in this way you can preserve your data and you can also update at any time. So this is how you can convert PDF to Excel using Excel itself. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.